So we knew yesterday the temperature was going to fall off, and I'll be honest with you, later in the afternoon, I was surprised at actually how cold and how fast it got that cold.
Yeah, it definitely was a difference compared to the start of the day, and then by the end of the day needed a couple more layers with that wind as well. Now today is going to be a little bit cooler, of course, than it has been, but at least we're looking at seeing some sunshine. Clear blue skies all across southern Ontario today, and really that sun goes a long way in making it feel a little bit warmer. Our temperatures today likely staying in the upper single digits for Waterloo region and most of southern Ontario. We might see a couple of double-digit temperatures for those in the extreme southwest. But again, really a gorgeous fall day in comparison to those strong winds that we had yesterday. Now, as we look across the country, we're in for a pattern change, and the temperatures now, well, get outside and take advantage of them, because in the long range, we're actually going to see temperatures fall close to the freezing mark throughout the daytime hours. Now, toward Western Canada, still very cold, minus 15 in Regina. It's -1, or rather 1 in Thunder Bay, 17 in Halifax. So the warmest air across the country still into the southern Atlantic provinces, where a little bit of a ridge is still in place. 9 today for our high, 6 is our seasonal average, so a little bit above, definitely not breaking any record highs anymore. But check out our almanac for our record to break. This is actually from last year, 2019. It was -9.9. Now overnight tonight, our temperature is staying right around the freezing mark, -1 in Waterloo region. Increased cloud cover expected as we get into Friday. We have the chance of seeing some scattered showers, if not a little bit of flurry activity. Winds will also be picking up as a front moves in, so 30 to 50 km/h wind gusts, more of a westerly flow. 7 degrees for a daytime high, so near seasonal. Here's a look at our futurecast. So clear skies today. There's that increased cloud cover by the morning hours, some spotty scattered showers. Notice how it's not widespread rain, so we'll see some breaks in that rainfall, even some sunshine toward the extreme southwest. Through the evening hours, any of that lingering precipitation could fall as a little bit of flurry activity, especially for the higher elevations of southern Ontario. We're clearing out for the start of the weekend before the next system moves in. Now we're keeping an eye on a Colorado low. This is currently developing to the west, so bringing some Pacific moisture with it. We're looking at periods of potentially heavy rain Saturday overnight and Sunday. Now temperatures behind that system drastically fall. 12 degrees for Sunday, down to 3 for Monday, and the chance of seeing some flurries. So potentially even some lake effect early next week, and might even see that lingering into Tuesday. Our daytime high for Tuesday afternoon in Waterloo region is just 1. Lambton, Kent, and Essex, a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow. Might see some cloudy periods with that front moving in. 9 degrees for a high, so really not a bad day. Seeing sunshine to start the weekend, and then a bump up in the temperatures before they fall down early next week into the mid-single digits. And southern Georgian Bay, 7 degrees for Friday, 5 for Saturday. Nice sunny start to the weekend before increased cloud cover ahead of that system. For Sunday, 11 degrees, down to 3 for Monday, and watching out for some lake effect flurries to develop Sunday night and lingering early next week. All right, here's today's Weather Watcher photo. This is from Ken, who submitted this photo and a few others earlier in the week, saying we had some excellent weather for birding in Waterloo region. A stunning photo of an egret. Thank you for sharing this, Ken. You're today's Weather Watcher. Stunning photo there.
I've actually heard that bird watching is one of the hobbies that has increased during the pandemic, because more people are home and, you know, sticking close to home, and that's what they're getting outside to do.
I have seen increase in Weather Watcher submissions too, so that seems correct.
There you go. All right, thanks, Shannon.
You're welcome.
Time now to recap the top stories we're following today. There were multiple reports of shots fired